Hello everyone, welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy Career Awareness Series. When you are preparing for UPSC Civil Services, always go very systematically and strategically. Strategically means do the things what you are supposed to do in the beginning. Like when you want to learn English language, what our teachers do? Our teachers make us to start with ABCD alphabets, then small words, then small sentences, then big sentences. Then you will be able to read. If you do not know ABCD at all, then how can you read a chapter? How can you read a paragraph? How can you read a sentence? That is not possible. Strategic means that only. If you are supposed to start a preparation, start from alphabets. In our preparation, those alphabets are NCERT books. You take any kind of subject, NCERTs are like that. And in fact, they are also more rewarding also. These we call basics. Once you are clear with these basics, take history, geography, polity, economy. Once these basics are done, then if something happens in current affairs, you will be able to understand very easily. You can connect. Otherwise, daily you may be reading Hindu newspaper or any other newspaper or any other magazine, current affairs. But when it comes to the concept, again you have to refer to this only. What many students do, they skip this altogether. They will start thinking that they have to do advanced thing first. These NCERTs, they are going to consider them as granted. They consider that NCERTs are nothing. They do not have anything which are useful for the examination. And one of the why this kind of feeling is coming means NCERTs are very easy to read. Easy to read. But we human beings have a habit of making very complex. We consider if something is very difficult, then we feel that that is something very important. But you consider, you read about highly successful people. They used to simply say that one of the biggest reason for their success is to make things very simplified. Even complex things also, they used to think in a very simplistic manner, and they used to think in a simple manner. That a simple solution is going to solve very complex problem. In our preparation also like this only. That's why always start from the basics. It will give you foundation to understand advanced topics. And how can you understand advanced topics without having strong basics, strong foundation? That is why this is what is strategic. Strategic nothing but starting from alphabets, then moving to the sentences, then able to read entire chapter. This way NCERTs, then advanced books, then current affairs, and so on. All right. In the similar manner, try to do it.